Oh, how'd we get a barber chair up there? Oh, the sap dripping out of that thing. It's just raining. Oh, that thing is just peeing. Wow. Get a paint can and sell that. Wow, wow, wow.
The crane's struggling.
Hopefully that's not going all over a house. My goodness, that thing is just... It's like a garden hose. Wow.
It's bigger than the car there.
Fez, get under there. That shit's just like maple syrup. Cover your body in it. The girls will love you.
They will throw sawdust at you. Well, you look like you've been tarred. The old name tarred and feathered. They get pitched in sawdust.
I can't say this is a boring job. A lot of entertainment here.
Hey, the sun, get up there. Court's gonna take you.
Well, we're having fun. So. I don't know any of these guys, but I know one of them there. Either me or him was gonna take the picture. So they're getting their photo op. So it's not very impressive. I mean, 2 logs high on the side, that's nothing. The pumpkins, the 5-footers still on the stump. And there they are, memorialized in history on film forever. And second to last piece. Got a fight for standing room here only for a place to video. It's like being at the movie theater. And that one's dripping too, not as violently. Well, I guess they don't need me running in there too, and there's still people behind me. I never work with the other humans, so usually isolated in a machine or a truck or with the fallers, but this is highly entertaining. So. Usually there's one character in every crew. I think this one's got more than a few here, so some entertaining remarks. And they're cutting on the last piece now. Got one big one down here to deal with. Couple inches of lift there. It is 5 feet. I was doing Sikorsky 61. That's heli-logging there. Except I gotta move this one so you can land that one. And back to video, old growth coming at you. not sure where that one's going. Oh, I think they're going to cut a couple chunks off it, shorten it up a little bit. That's the big end. The crane guy just says that this one on his scale weighs 13,000 pounds. So I can fight 10, 10 and a half, maybe 11. So don't know how this is going to go. 3120. It's like a sawmill for your hands. Maybe somebody's counted it out here. We're at 100 back here, 150. Probably 30 years of bark in there. Not far from a couple hundred years old. So. I don't know how many gallons of pitch came out of this operation, but this one sure fit a lot in one of these cracks. Roaring out of there. Of course, you want to put your hands on it and roll all over it and put it on your face, but you'd never get that off. It smells nice, as you can imagine. It's like back in the day of full service gas stations, getting full service here. It has been decided to rotate it. Somebody's gonna get pitch on their boots.